Good morning, everyone. What we had learned previous class. Family. Family is the fundamental unit of society. Family determine health status. Familial data is fundamental for nursing. If nursing services only for family members. So study of family is very important for us. Previous class we had been learn about detail about family, meaning, definition, nature, types, functions, simple words we had been using and we can easy to understand. Today I have to start with modern family. What do you think about modern family? Modern. What are the difference between modern family and olden family? What are the issues in the modern family? What are the types of families are available? These are the matters we need to think. First, features of modern family. First feature, decrease marriage contract. In olden family, every marriages by means of agreement between two families. They do not concern or so much are not concerned the desires of the bride and bridegrooms. The contract mainly concerning this dowry. Before the marriage, how much pay? So nowadays, that type of contract gradually reducing due to modern legislation and modern technology, etc. Second, change relationship. As we know that in olden families, wife fear to call the husband name. But in modern families, wife call the husband their own name as well as unique name. So relation between the husband and wife have been changed. Promote gender equality. As well as relation between parents and children. Father and mother have been changed. Third feature, laxity in sex relationship. Lack of discipline may happen in various families, in modern families. Fourth one, economic independency. Mainly economic independence for women. Women earn money more than men in the modern families, as well as choose their own job, work their own self, and cooperate together and build the modern families. Fifth one, smaller family. In olden families, more than 5 to 10 children, as we know that our olden families. But in modern families, maximum 2 or 3. So size of family have been reduced due to modern education, legislative measures, and other population control measures. Sixth one, decline of religious control. In olden family, every matters determined by religion or religious priest. Every functions first ask to priest. The particular function we organize or not, mainly marriage. But in modern days, that type of control have been reduced. Take their own decision. Making in modern families. Seventh one, separation of non-essential functions. Already we had been learned functions of family, essential, non-essential. It's now just like separated. Essential functions only in the family, so family life. The non-essential function is other occupation, other activities, is other social life have been separated. The two reason is that mainly modern technology, olden families mainly concerning job and family is together, but nowadays is separated, separately working, away from families, etc. Eighth one, philo-centric family. Child tend to dominate, which means the husband and wife, parents, living for their own children. Children dominate. The parents try to develop and concerning child welfare in the modern families. Ninth one, decay of patriarchal family into matriarchal. Patriarchal means men dominated family. Matri, woman dominated family. Nowadays, men domination gradually reducing. Woman dominated. Mainly economic aspect, educational aspect, and maximum of modern family have been maintained gender equality. Husband take their own decision, wife can take their own decisions, their study aspect, occupational aspect, and jointly work in the family and try to build the families, modern families. So these are the 9 features of modern family. In the examination itself, this question may be asked in 5 marks. That time we can use this knowledge. Next, causes of decay of patriarchal family. First, economic features. Women tend to dominate gender equality, mainly job, earning money more than men in the modern families. So women nowadays tend to, the patriarchal family have been reducing to matriarchal. Second, industrial revolution. Every sector become industrialized nowadays. Every industry is given more important to women. For example, agricultural industry, healthcare industry. Healthcare, who is maximum? Women, nursing professionals, women only maximum. As well as educational industry. Then commodity. Every industry nowadays try to maintain gender equality, giving more opportunity to women, which is the other reason why decay of patriarchal family. Then cultural factors. Modern culture. And support to gender equality, prevent dominations, which create decay of patriarchal family. Mainly modern technology, modern materials, modern habits, as well as information technology, etc., which change the culture. Then demographic institutions. What do you think about demography? Example, women empowerment institutions. Empowering women through various initiatives, which is other cause of decay of patriarchal family. Then instability of modern family. Before, I would like to ask one question. Sharmi, can you list a few features of modern family? One or two features, can you say? Yes. Decrease marriage contract, Okay, Sharmi, thank you. Okay. Then instability of modern family. Then modern family having more unstable than olden families. Having various reasons, but here listed few reasons. First reason is that find education, work, recreation outside the family. For example, husband living in India and wife in abroad for their work. or husband in wife in India or in homeland, husband away from the wife. Not only work purpose as well as educational purpose. So which create instable in the modern family, instability. Second reason, women can get the job making them independent. Nowadays, women more awareness regarding women rights. Any small matters or any human right violation within the family, women try to protect themselves by using legislations or maybe divorce. Mainly villages less divorce than in cities due to job independent, having their own money, etc. Next, issues facing modern family today. First issue, busyness. Busyness means there is no time. Get up early morning and do their family work and went to job, back, mainly this which create busyness. Next, absence of parent care. This is other major issue. Not only in villages less than that, mainly in cities. Husband and wife, there is no time to give to their own children. Maybe maximum of children may be living in boarding, hostels, which create lack of connection between parents and children. Then lack of discipline and the difficult to follow the family norms, religious norms, which leads to lack of discipline. Then financial pressure, which is main issue in modern families. Difficult to manage the finance and fulfill their needs in the family. Then lack of communication. Communication between husband and wife, plus parents and children, which leads to major issues. The negative media influences. Media, mainly social media, influence negatively family relationships. Also, this misusing the media may various families. In affect mainly this internet as well as mobile phone and anonymous relationship with others. By using modern social medias. As we know that various incidents happened in Kerala as well as in various places due to misuse of modern media devices. Then balance of work and family. Difficult to balancing whether give importance to family or work? What's your opinions, anybody? Which is important, family or work? Shinu Mol,
Yes, sir.
which is important, family or work?
Family.
Excellent. I would appreciate your great thinker. Yes, family is a fundamental one. A family based only we need to organize the work which create happier work life as well as family life. Excellent. Then divorce, next issue. Due to awareness regarding modern legislations, mainly in city or urban places, women more aware. Any violations, try to apply divorce and separate. So these are the issues having facing family today. Then factors leads to divorce. First factor, decay of social values. What is meant by social interaction? What is meant by value, worth? In modern family members or modern families reducing the values of interaction. Husband and wife should be interact and discuss, as well as parents and children should be talked with, share their desires. If which there is no social interaction, which is a first factor, leads to divorce. Next, less social protection. Social protection means the family members should be protected. First, family security. Husband should be protect wife. Wife should be protect husband. But in some families, husband may be protect third person, or wife may be protect other person other than husband. So that is the main reason why cause of divorce. Then avoidance of divorce and family crisis, 10 steps. First step, anger should be neglect. So which means try to manage the conflict in the family. As already we had been learned, the social process episode of conflict, the anger will become in the time of health conflict and use words. Husband maybe say one word, wife use 10 words. What will happen? Husband may be more anger, as well as some families wife. So try to manage the conflict in the families. Second, needless irritants. Antagonize should be eliminated. Antagonize means kind of conflict, opposite to. Irritation means, for example, husband and wife living together, happy. But husband don't like neighbor due to various reasons. But wife always talk about that neighbor, their superiority. What will happen? Husband more irritated, and conflict will become, maybe divorce, crisis, family will be crisis. So what will you do to avoid the conflict, family crisis? To understand the husband, understand the wife, and what are the likeness, according to that interact. So dislike, husband dislike, talk about wife, irritate the husband. Husband talk about wife irritations or dislikes, wife will be irritated and will be cause the conflict. So husband and wife understand with what like and dislikes. What like, talk about it, which create more harmonious family life. Third one, way to do new joyful things. New is very, very important. Modern family is just like machine. Get up early morning. Mainly food habits, mainly same type of food habits, which create lack of enjoy, irritations as well as issues. Not only this, these food habits as well as kind of interactions and materials, which means culture. So what we should do that, enrich culture in the family to promote joyness, which create happier family away from crisis. So for that, husband and wife should be work together. Fourth one, have children, but by mutual agreement. So this students, this is very important area. After the marriage, some families, husband would not like bear a child. But some families, wife would not like bear a child. After the marriage, maybe decided that husband says that I need child for 2 years. But wife says that I need child immediately. What will happen? Crisis will become. If child born without consent of husband, which create more problems in the family. So in the child bearing concern, both the husband and wife should be mutually agreed. But medical advice is that after the marriage, as should be bear a child as soon as possible. Should be avoid take contraceptives, which leads to sterility. So which is medical advice. But in this, according to their situation, for example, maybe husband may be working, lack of money. According to situations, husband and wife should be discuss with each other and agree with each other. Then have child. Fifth one, discuss your vital family problems regarding their kitchen, mainly food habits. Many problems started from kitchen, food habits, regarding their own children's and father-in-law, mother-in-law, job mainly, problems regarding job. So these are the problems, both of them mutually discuss and take decision to grow the families, to prevent crisis. Sixth one, understand your mat. That's why we have discussed. Husband should be understood about wife, their likeness and dislike. Wife should be understand about husband, what like and dislike. According to that, act, interact, and talk about that, which create present in the modern families, prevent crisis. Seventh one, discover area of agreement, develop a joint program. Regarding, for example, husband and wife earning money, both of them plan to how to spend particular money and formulate plan together. But in some families, husband one program, wife other program, so which create the crisis. So both of them together formulate programs for family development to prevent crisis. Eighth one, discover your vital family problem with your mate. Students, this is a key area. Any problem come in the family, maybe not discuss between them, discuss with third person. For example, husband and wife after the marriage, living happily. One day come small crisis. Then wife take a mobile phone, call their father and mother. Call to father and mother and crying to say about husband what did wrong. What did wrong against so any problem arise, both of them should be discussed, but some wife or husband discuss with third person. The next day immediately the wife's father or the mother may be called to husband, which means husband's mother-in-law or father-in-law called to husband. Why you did like this towards my daughter? So clear about it? So in some families, father and mother, somebody may be called to friends. Friend called to the third person. Friend called to the wife or husband about the family matter. So clear about this is the main issue, various families. They don't trust between them, trust with third person. And any problem arise, talk with that person, not talk with between them. So which is create major crisis and ended with divorce as well as other problems. So which is 8th point. 9th one, agree to live, let live, allow to live. Husband and wife, two individuals. Husband should be accept their individuality of wife. Wife should be accept the husband individuality, their likeness, their personalities. According to that, motivate to promote the family. So husband develop, wife as well as motivated by husband according to their, and family will be developed. That's it. Agree to live, let allow to live. But in some families, we know that the wife having good educational qualification, wife like to go to job, but husband says that You need, you need not go to job. I give all money. Sit in the house. See my children. What will happen? So husband discriminate their own wife or discriminate likenesses of the wife. So which create problem and crisis. 10th one, put the welfare of family first. So this 10th point is very, very important. The reason is that many families, new families, they don't think about their own families. Think about their father and mother, or brothers and sisters, as well as many of other third persons. And any money having, share with their own brothers or sister or father. Do not give their own husband. What will happen? Don't think about their own children. What will happen? Ended with crisis. So first, husband and wife should be think about our own family, their fulfillment. After fulfilling their own needs, next think about third persons, support, welfare to other people. So these are the 10 matters or factors or steps can prevent crisis, avoid divorce in modern families. Then reconstructing the family, which means how to solve the family problems. First problem solving method, better marriages. Second method, mental adjustment. I would like to ask question. Dayayam Daya Vinisha Vinny Vinisha,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
can you list a few steps to avoid divorce and family crisis? One step is in, one or two.
Balance of work and family.
Yes, balance of yes,
and
yes,
family.
yes, balance of this work and family, so which is a good idea.
Absent of parents' care.
So which is issues. My question is that how to avoid divorce. Can you see on the screen?
All feeling of resentment.
Agreement is anger. Yes.
Needless irritants and antagonists should be eliminated.
Yes.
Discuss your vital family problems.
Excellent. Okay, Vinisha, excellent answer for good intelligent student. Yes. Thank you. Yes, next better how to recreate, which means reconstructing the families. Reconstruction should be from the marriages, better marriage. First is that building union between two, husband and wife. Second, discuss matter based on what is good for husband as well as wife. third matter is very important, no demand. Demand means dowry, maybe modern days, various families demand for money or material should be avoided, which is prohibited or avoided. Fourth one, too great concentration should be avoided. Great concentration means concentration towards the wife behavior or concentration towards the husband. That type of too much of concentration maybe create the crisis, and which help create better marriages, avoiding only think about what is good. Fifth one, complete trust. Husband and wife should be trust with each other, which is very important, whether good or bad. Sixth one, holding on the present. So this is other matter, very important one. For example, in the marriage, after the marriage, husband and wife living together happily. One day, some issues arise. For example, in the night maybe arising one issue. The next day morning, the wife always think about the husband, what did wrong, or maybe bad words against wife. Wife maybe always think about husband what did wrong against self. The next day morning, there is no tea, there is no breakfast. What will happen? The wife do not give anything for husband. What will happen? The problem will be increasing. So conflict is part of the families, So don't think about past. If any crisis come, gone away. Think about now. Each moment is good. Now itself. So which means think about now. Don't think about past negative events, and enjoy the family life. Seventh one, should be willing to grow. Both husband and wife should be willing to grow. Next, adolescent type of blind love, there should be mature love. What do you think about blind love? Love in the time of teenage, in the school age. That time, don't think about these future matter. Only think about this, this. That's sex motive. So which create blindness, don't think about future, which create teenage marriages. So not only this matter, with this point it says that many families, immaturity of love after the marriage, immediately marriage, due to various factors, due to age or other matters. So avoid blind love, should need mature love. Mature love means think about future. And think about right what is good, which is very important. Ninth one, marriage is life adjustment. As we had been learned that social process, every marriage started with cooperation. After the marriage, competition will become husband and wife compete with each other, mainly regarding their job, their money, mainly work. That competition ended with conflict between husband and wife. Then, if unable to manage the conflict in the family, ended with the divorce and crisis. So, after the marriage that is an enjoyment, every family having cooperation, competition, conflict. Conflict is disassociative process. So that is the adjustment area, is that any conflict phenomenon come in the family, try to adjust. I was given various ideas. So next topic is that mental adjustment. So after the good marriages form, next we should be adjust our mind to maintaining the happier families. First adjustment is that frank discussion. Do not lie between them. Husband and wife frankly discuss. Second one, needless arguments should be eliminated. So this we will learn next class. Okay, time is going to. So B, mental adjustment we will learn next class tomorrow. So what we had been learned today? The modern family, features, causes of decay of patriarchal family, instability of modern family, issues family today, factors leads to divorce, avoiding family crisis, 10 steps, reconstructing the family by better marriages, and mental adjustment. So today highlights is key point is that we are living in modern family. Okay, we are living in modern families. So this knowledge is very important for us, for our after the marriage, our family life. Also we can this knowledge used to guide the patients. For example, if a patient come to hospital with family crisis, we can use this knowledge to provide guidance in clinical setting as well as community setting. So we are nursing professionals doing fundamental role, build healthier and wealthier families in our society. So these all the knowledge are very important for us. Okay. So any question arise in this area, you can ask to me. I will be publish this video. That time you can comment or you can WhatsApp to me any questions regarding it. I will be give correct guidance and idea, more knowledge regarding this. Now I have to discuss with some matter with you regarding questions. Josie, Josie. Jeffrey Shaija,
Yes, sir.
so can you list a few issues facing family today? Issues facing family today.
In the modern life, see, in the modern family, yes, sir.
Can you see on the screen available? Yes, modern family. Just to see the screen. Issues facing family.
Absence of the parents care on each other.
Yes.
They mustn't have good relationship within each other, in husband and wife,
Yes.
within the children, between children.
Yes.
Um,
Can you explain about this absence of parent care?
yes, sir. If in a family, both dad and mom, if they left for work, they doesn't care about the children more, and they must interact with each other. What are they doing? What they like or dislikes? What between them? What is happening in their life? They doesn't
Excellent.
interact with each other.
Excellent, Jefflin Shaija, excellent expression. I would like your expressing your words. I'm glad to appreciate. Thank you, Jefflin Shaija. Okay, students, thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the day. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Aswini.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Pravina Mary.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Aswini, yes, Serin.